Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to do chicken fry. Start with fresh chicken, about 2 pounds, ensuring it's clean and completely dry. This step is crucial for crispy results. Next, create a simple marinade using 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. This combination tenderizes the chicken and adds a subtle kick. Let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours for deeper flavor. Now let's prepare our breading. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of salt. For extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. This blend creates a delicious, seasoned crust. Take each marinated chicken piece and dredge it completely in the flour mixture, pressing firmly to ensure it's fully coated. It's time to fry. Pour about 3 inches of vegetable oil into a heavy-bottomed pot, heating it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few chicken pieces into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Fry each batch for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your chicken is perfectly golden and cooked, carefully remove it from the oil. Place the pieces on a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows excess oil to drain, keeping your chicken wonderfully crispy. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Now, your easy, homemade chicken fry is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.